How's it going, friends? Today I'm bringing you this Samsung brand refrigerator. Here I have the reference model and it started leaking water inside right where the filter goes. So we shut off the valve and we're going to install a universal filter. But what happens with these refrigerators? The ice maker doesn't work and the person only wants to drink filtered water. So we're going to identify the hose that goes to the water dispenser. Let's remember that refrigerators only need two hoses, one for ice and one for water. So I removed this upper hose compartment with 3 screws and found that the one going to the door is a blue hose, which is the one I need so you can get water. Okay, so inside we're going to take apart the whole system. We're going to remove all these trays and leave only the water system, which is this one. We take out the glass part here using these clips that needed to be pressed, and once that's done we just remove the front part and are left with the screws, which are 3. We remove that and take out the 3 clips that are on the top and on the bottom. So once that's done, here we can see the tank. This tank is the one that cools the water, okay? So this was the system that got damaged where the filter fits in. Through here, the white one, the water comes in, enters the filter, which is this one we have here, A. And once it goes into the filter, it returns through the little blue hose that goes to the valve, and the valve then sends it into the tank. So what are we going to do? The person doesn't want this filter anymore, so I'm going to make a bypass, okay? Which is what we have here. So it would end up like this. This would be the tiny little hose I removed that used to go into the original Samsung filter, but it won't do that anymore. So once that's done, you can see the hose is already connected. Now it's just a matter of assembling the active valve, and every time you activate it, it will only filter the water we're going to drink. Okay? So once that's done, once you've identified all the hoses and everything, this is the line that comes from the street, okay? If it were only for drinking water and ice and all, then I would have to work with the other line. So we're going to use this one, the blue one, and I'm going to put the filter here. Why? Because here it doesn't hold pressure, okay? Every time the valve operates. So here's the quick flow filter. It's a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch filter. Here we draw the water. This black water isn't dirt. It's actually the combination of the carbon that's the inside and the filter. You need to run about 5 liters through it until you see the water come out clear so it doesn't taste strange, okay? Pay attention here to the flow. Make sure to check carefully that the flow direction shows the inlet and outlet.